Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey everyone, it's time for some practical Hakka right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And let's talk about time right now, okay? We taught you dates and other stuff, but time is something that happens every day. 时间是非常重要的啊，分秒必争这样子啊。So let's teach people how to ask time and tell time in Hakka. First off, you might be asking what time it is.
请问呀哈几多点
Chamwun, that means asking you, please. Yaha, yaha 是现在的。
？Yeah，
Oh, yaha, that's now.
几多点？
几多点？几多点？
几多点？几点呢？
哦，就是几点。What time is it right now, please? Basically, right? All right. 那或许现在是快5点了啊。
喂，5点嘞。
喂，5点嘞。哦。
就是快5点了。
Almost 5 o'clock. Or some people might say the exact time. 比如说我们说11点50分好了。11:50.
11点。
11点。
50分。
50分。点就是点，就是 hour 嘛啊。
分。
分就是 minutes.
Yeah.
哦 OK. 所以如果是3点40分。
3点。
3点。
40分。
40分. Okay, that's 3:40. All right. Or maybe you're being asked this question and then you go, you know what? I don't know. I don't have a watch. I don't have time on me.
我唔知。
我唔知。
我呀。
我呀。
冇帶。
冇帶。
時表。
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 時表 That's watch. 其实现在没有带手表，至少要有手机啊。
对。
可以看时
那海陆腔我不知道。
哦，好，教一下海陆腔。Let's teach you another dialect.
我唔知。
我唔知，这是海陆。
Yeah.
那如果是四线是？
我唔知。
我唔知，比较可爱一点。All right, let's review these terms. Again, what time is it right now? 请问现在几点？
请问呀哈几多点？
请问呀哈几多点？Oh, and maybe you want to say it's almost 5, 快5点了。
喂5点嘞。
喂5点嘞。Or it's 11:50. Or in English, 有的时候我们会说 it's 10 minutes till 12. 就是差10分钟12点。
11点50分。
11点50分。Or you don't have the time. I don't know. 我也没带手表。
我唔知。
我唔知。
我也冇帶時表。
我也冇帶時表。Woo. That is hard. A watch. 時表是這樣子嗎？
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that does it for today's practical Hakka.
什麼太假？
俺只say張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.